Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Cassandra. Today I have an unboxing of Facetory Fall Luxe Plus Skincare Box. So if you want to see exactly what's inside this box, please continue to watch. Okay, we are back, and this is the box. As you can see, it look fall-like because it's got the fall flowers and everything on it. Okay, this is the box. Okay, just to tell you all something about Facetory. Facetory has different subscription boxes, which they all revolve around the Korean skincare. One box is called the Forever Fresh box, and it's $8.90 a month, and you have 4 sheet masks. Then you have the 7 luxury sheet masks, which is $19.90 a month. And then you have the Luxe Plus box, which is over $200 worth of products from anywhere to 10 to 12 amazing products for $49.95 every quarter. Okay, let's go ahead on with the unboxing. Okay, and this is how the box looks. And it says, just keep glowing at my Facetory. Okay? And the first thing we have is a pamphlet. And inside this pamphlet, it shows all the products that's in the box. And this month's theme is Autumn Story. Facetory Luxe Plus Autumn Story. Okay? Like I said, all of this is just showing what's inside this box. Then when I open it up, this is what you see. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to open it up. And this is what you see that's inside the box. Let's see. The first thing I see is Real Mary. And this is a Purifying Scalper with sea salt. I guess that's what it's saying. This is what it looks like. Okay. And it said it retails for $20. And this is just, it said, keep your hair feeling fresh. This hydrates scalp, exfoliates cleanser, and purifying your scalp so your hair can grow healthy and strong. Okay. The next thing I see in the box is eye cream. This is an eye cream. Let me see, I'm gonna take it out the box. And this is what it looks like. It's an eye cream. I have so many eye creams I'm using right now. I'm trying to do one at a time to see what really helps, so I know what to stick with. So I'll put that in rotation as soon as I finish using the others. And let's see what it says about that. It said, I scream, you scream. We all scream for this eye cream. And let me see. This eye cream really helps brighten and smooth out our tired under eyes. It contains red complex. 8 red ingredients that nurtures, brightens, and energizes the skin. And this retails for $38. $38. Okay. The next thing I see is Real Floral Toner. So this is a toner. That's how it looks in the box. At least that's how the box looks. And this is the toner. And if you really look, it does have cherry blossom flowers in it. Because it says Real Floral Toner, Cherry Blossom. Really look at it, you should be able to see like flowers or petals, some kind of petals in it. Okay, let me see, can I smell it? Smell just like cherry. I just hate, I wish it was a spray. Okay, let's see what it says about that. I know you all might be hearing some fuss, but we got people next door cleaning their yard, I guess. And this says, have your skin feeling fresh and balanced with this beautiful, hydrating cherry blossom toner filled with actually cherry blossom petals. Okay, this retails for $24. $24. Okay. The next thing I see in the box is Dew Oil. Okay. And I open it up. And this is what it looks like. Okay. Green Signal Dew Oil. And it says, let me see what it says about the Dew Oil. Okay. Ready, Set, Do. This beautiful green oil is 100% natural and multifunctional. And this retails for $35. Okay, $35 for this Dew Oil. And this is what it looks like again. Okay. The next thing I see in the box is Pure Heart Propolis 80 sleeping packs. I don't know what this is, okay? That's what it looks like on the box when you open it up. This is what it is, and it's come with a little spoon. I guess you scoop it out. Okay. Let me see what it says. It says this sleeping mask, okay, it's a sleeping mask, heals inflammation and hydrates your skin while you sleep, locking in all nutrients from your other skincare products. And this retails for $55. Okay. And this is what it looks like again. It's a skin mask. Okay. The next thing, couple of things in here are nothing but sheet masks. And this one says Perfectly You Screaming Hair Mask. for shiny and healthy hair. So we got a hair mask this time. Okay, let's see what it says about this hair mask. Scalp care is becoming a hot trend in Korea. Scalp care is a visual part of Korean hair care because Koreans believe that healthy hair starts from the scalp rather than the hair itself. Okay. And this retails for, let me see, I don't see it. This retails for $10. The next sheet mask I see is Firming Camellia mask. Okay, and this mask, it says it contains yogurt extract, and it says this sheet mask make our skin feel so smooth and moisturizing. It has a slight firming sensation, which is a definite treat. Sit back, relax, and try this one out. And this retails for $4.50. Okay, that's this one again, $4.50. The next one I see is a Hyaltox Petit mask, something like that. But that's what this one looks like. And this mask, it says, softened, dewy skin has never been easily to achieve. This is perfect for those dull skin days. Give your skin extra love with this mask. It made our skin so ever and brightened that we were surprised. It contains skin brightening and exfoliate properties to help even out your skin. And this retails for $5. $5. Okay. The next two I see is True Noble Soil Layer Mask. And that's this one. And it says, this is not your average clay mask. This little one is super hydrated and purifying all at the same time. Perfect for those confusing skin days, whatever that's supposed to mean. We can't get over how this mask detox and hydrates at the same time. That's pretty hard to do. Our skin feel well loved after using this sheet mask, and we woke up to a beautiful, bright skin. And this retails for $4.50. Okay, the last thing in the box is Himalayan Camellia Pore minimizing mask. That's what this one looks like. And it says, this sheet mask felt so nice on our skin. Our pores appear smaller and our skin felt super balanced. After removing the mask, we were left with our skin feeling soft and refreshed. And this is, it says, a coconut biocellulite mask that shrinks your pores, smooth out texture, and calms irritation. This one is a great go-to mask. And this one retails for $7. And this is it. So in the box this month, we got 2, 4, 5 masks. So that's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We got 10 products this box. As you can see, that's it in this box. So that's it for this video. Please comment in the bottom section of this video if you all are thinking about subscribing to Facetory, or if you already subscribed to Facetory. Tell me what you think about this company. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Once again, I will have all the information in the description section of this video about Facetory. I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.